This is the MORENTO 2-pack of AP1512 HH replacement filters. These are true HEPA replacement filter sets for certain Coway models. And this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. So with this replacement set, you get 2 HEPA filters right here. And these are about 13 by 15.5 by 1.5. You get 8 of these carbon filters, 4 per pack. So the way this works is through a 2-stage filtration process. You have an H13 true HEPA filter and an activated carbon cotton filter. The HEPA captures the airborne particles down to about 0.3 microns, and the carbon filter eliminates your typical household odors from pets and smoke and all that. These are disposable filters and they're really easy to replace. You don't need any tools. For the absolute best air quality, you're going to want to replace these about every 12 months or so. And the carbon filters maybe every 6 months. Good thing we have 8 of them here. So if you're looking for a replacement filter for your air purifier, your Coway, or other model that this might fit to help you get rid of pet smell, smoke smell, or any other unwanted odors in your home, your office, your classroom, the MORENTO True HEPA filter replacement set for Coway.